Solid management. The topic we discuss energy consumption from solid waste management. There were some points which highlight the solution for solid waste management. The first one is the discussion on evolution of the interest towards energy recovery from municipal solid waste. Second is the energy availability, taking into the account the dynamics of qualitative and quantitative composition of municipal solid waste. Third one is the analysis, the role of selective collection in the frame of energy recovery. This is the chart which shows the solid waste management. It includes composting, incineration, controlled landfill unspecified, and so on. Evolution in the solid waste management. The main role of the waste management plan is to define which is the combination of waste management strategies. The objectives of the evolution in solid waste management as follows: to be sustainable and realistic, consistent with the environmental policies and regulations, and monitored to verify the progressive achievements of the given target. The utilization of energy recovery to treat the low-grade waste allows the maximization of waste diversion from landfill with a low production of hazardous ash. Energy availability in quantitative and qualitative. According to the 2018 World Bank Group estimate, the annual global generation of waste was 1.3 billion tons and expected to reach approximately 2.2 billion tons by 2025. In proportion to these approximations, there will be a momentous rise in per capita waste generation rates from 1.2 to 1.42 kg per person per day in the next 15 years. Analysis of the selective role in energy recovery. Management of the municipal solid waste continues to be one of the top priorities for human communities in the 21st century. The recovery of energy and materials from MSW through the production of a refuse-derived fuel RDF is one of the alternatives advocated by the waste management planners and government regulations. Energy consumption. This is a flow chart of energy consumption. Current global MSW generation levels are approximately 1.3 billion tons per year, and by 2025, these are expected to increase to approximately 2.2 billion tons per year. A significant increase in per capita waste generation rates from 1.20 to 1.42 kg per person per day in the next 15 years, 2018 to 2033. On the global scale, 70% of the MSW is landfilled, 19% is recycled, and only 11% is utilized in waste to energy. Global average consumption. The component of global average consumption are as follows: organic contains 46%, metal contains 4%, plastic contains 10%, paper contains 17%, and other contain 18%.